In this video, you'll learn how to enroll in courses. Once your payment has been confirmed, the Enroll in Courses button will appear on your dashboard. Click on it. This will take you to the enrollment page, which contains reminders. Please be careful and select your courses wisely, because you only have 2 attempts to select and enroll in the courses. Some courses have prerequisites, so you will not be able to enroll in them unless you pass the prerequisite courses. Click here to continue. Click here to see all of the courses of Semester 1. You can select your courses by clicking on the checkboxes above the course titles. If there is a compulsory tag under the course title, then you'll need to successfully complete this course in order to get your certificate. Under that, you have instructor and faculty member. The instructor is the professor who delivered the video lectures for this course. You can contact the faculty member if you have any questions regarding what you have studied in the course. In courses that have live sessions, the faculty member will also be delivering the live sessions. Under that is a brief description of the course. Once you have finished selecting your courses, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Send Request. But before going ahead, I'd like to explain to you about the waiver replacement courses. If you've already taken a course equivalent to any of our courses in English, Arabic, or computers, then you can contact Help Desk and request for the course to be waived. If your request is accepted, then you can take any of these waiver replacement courses instead. Now you can proceed by clicking on Send Request. Here you have confirmation that your enrollment has been submitted. Now log out and then log back in. Then click on My Courses and you'll see the courses that you're enrolled in. You can click on one of these courses to begin your studies. Congratulations for successfully enrolling in IOU's courses. Please note that if you are currently in the early enrollment period, then you won't be able to take your module tests until the semester begins.